Hi, yo, everyone. Patricio Juwandono here, now with Academic Words Group 7. Let's continue our study to Academic Words Group 7. Now let's dive into that. So these are the words of Group 7 and its meanings. First of all, look at the words and notice the way I pronounce them. So we start with adapt, adult, advocate, aid, channel, chemical, classic, comprehensive, comprise, confirm, contrary, convert, couple, decade, definite, deny, differentiate, dispose, dynamic. Never mind the underline, yeah? Just follow my pronunciation. Don't worry about the underlying words. Dynamic, eliminate, empirical, equip, extract, file, finite, foundation, globe, aid, guarantee, hierarchy, identical, ideology, invert, innovate, insert, ingredient, isolate, media, mode, paradigm, phenomenon, priority, prohibit, application, quote, release, reverse, simulate, soul, somewhat, subject, successor, survive, thesis, topic, transmit, ultimate, unique, visible, voluntary. Okay, now the meaning of advocate is mendukung or membela. So if I said he advocates gay rights, dia mendukung hak-hak orang gay. Advocates. Aid is membantu. Now as a noun it means bantuan. Channel as a verb means menyalurkan. He channel his anger arts, dia menyalurkan kemarahannya ke seni. Ya. Comprehensive, the other word or the other synonym is thorough, means menyeluruh. Comprehensive or thorough, menyeluruh, comprehensive. Comprise merupakan, for example, this act comprises a crime. Tindakan ini merupakan suatu bentuk kejahatan. Contrary is berlawanan. For example, on the contrary means sebaliknya. Ya, for example, he likes jazz. On the contrary, his lover likes rock. Something like that, ya. Definite is pasti or jelas. For example, the date for the final exam has not been definite yet. Ya, tanggal untuk ujian akhirnya belum pasti, belum jelas. Differentiate is membedakan. So for example, differentiate the two twin sister. Membedakan kedua saudara kembar itu. Differentiate a Toyota from a Nissan. Membedakan sebuah mobil Toyota dari sebuah mobil Nissan. So that's the way differentiate is used in the sentence. Dispose is membuang. For example, he disposed the used paper. Dia membuang kertas-kertas bekas itu. So from this you know that disposable means bisa dibuang. Disposable bisa dibuang. Empirical is berdasarkan data, pengalaman nyata, bukan khayalan. Bukan khayalan, bukan imajinasi, berdasarkan pengalaman nyata, berdasarkan data nyata, bukan hasil rekaan, bukan hasil manipulasi. For example, this idea was based on empirical research. Equip is melengkapi, we are equipped with modern machines. Extract mencabut biji, or mendapatkan. We extract wine from the grapes. Kami mendapatkan anggur dari buah-buah anggur. Extract itu artinya mengambil sarinya, mendapatkan sarinya. Yeah. File is arsip. But if you have file for divorce, there is an expression here, file for divorce means mengajukan gugatan cerai. For example, after a 7-year marriage, she filed for divorce. Yeah. Finite is pronounced like this, finite. Yeah, finite means terbatas dalam jumlah. There are finite elements of language, but we can make infinite. Now, infinite is the opposite, means tak terbatas jumlahnya, infinite. Yeah. So here, infinite is tak terbatas jumlahnya, while finite is terbatas jumlahnya. Yeah. Foundation is dasar atau yayasan. Guarantee is menjamin. They guarantee our safety. Yeah. Hierarchy is hierarchy. Identical is mirip. Infer is menarik dugaan dari serangkaian bukti or data. So this is actually menduga, menarik kesimpulan or menarik dugaan. Yeah. For example, I can infer from these sentences that he is very desperate. Saya bisa menduga atau menarik kesimpulan dari kalimat-kalimat ini bahwa dia sangat putus asa. Yeah. Oke, innovate is berinovasi. Intervene is mengintervensi or mencampuri urusan orang lain. Intervene. Paradigm or cara pandang, cara pikir. Sometimes also in our language paradigma. That's actually cara pikir, cara pandang. Phenomenon is gejala. Prohibit, melarang. We prohibit you to smoke at Macung. Kami melarang Anda untuk merokok di Macung. Ya. Quote is mengutip. Release, membebaskan atau melepaskan. Reverse, ke arah sebaliknya. So for example, the original sequence is DEF, but they reverse the sequence to FED. Jadi dari sini DEF urutannya dibalik. So reverse means membalik urutan menjadi FED. Ya. Simulate, mensimulasi, atau meniru keadaan sebenarnya. Meniru keadaan sebenarnya. Yeah, for example, we simulate a cockpit situation. Kami meniru situasi di sebuah cockpit. Ya, bukan cockpit sungguhan pasti, cuma cockpit di ruang. Ya, namanya simulasi. That's why the word is simulate. Yeah. But please be careful, there is a similar word in terms of spelling. It looks almost the same, but this one is stimulate. Stimulate with T is menstimulasi or merangsang. Okay, submit is menyerahkan. Somewhat is agak. Yeah. With respect to submit, we have turn in or hand in. Yesus menyerahkan or mengumpulkan. Ya, menyerahkan or mengumpulkan tugas. So if I say, turn in your papers or hand in your papers, it means serahkanlah tugasmu atau papermu kepada saya. Kumpulkanlah kepada saya. Turn in or hand in. Of course, I can say submit, but submit is somewhat more formal than turn in. We have reverse. Convert is mengubah agama. She converted to Buddha means dia berpindah agama. And then we have comprehensive. We discussed this. Thorough, menyeluruh. We have terbatas, finite versus infinite. We also discussed this. Guarantee, you know that. Channel, comprise, merupakan. Then we have soul. Soul here is satu-satunya. So if you come across the word soul agent, it means agen tunggal, agen satu-satunya. But in this context, it means telapak kaki, the sole of feet, telapak kaki. We discussed 8, panduan, paradigm, yeah, this is the way you pronounce it, paradigm. You know that. Now survive is selamat dari sesuatu bahaya, survive. Definite, you know that. Membedakan, we discussed that. Menarik dugaan, infer, dispose bisa membuang, disposable bisa dibuang, deny is menyangkal. Yeah. For example, he denied the fact that he stole the file. Dia menyangkal fakta bahwa dia sebenarnya telah mencuri file itu. Yeah, deny. Yeah. We can also say he, okay. The refugees, pengungsi, were denied of their basic rights. Artinya para pengungsi itu tidak diberikan hak-hak dasarnya. So the word denied of something, it means dijauhkan dari sesuatu yang seharusnya mereka terima. Denied of something. Campuri urusan, intervene, we discussed that, melarang, prohibit, yang paling puncak, paling penting, ultimate. Release, we discussed that. Voluntary is sukarela. Visible is bisa dilihat. Feasible, now notice the pronunciation here, this is visible, this is feasible, this is this is visible, this is feasible. If it is feasible, then it means layak dikerjakan, bisa dikerjakan. Yeah. Okay, gejala, we discussed that. Phenomenon, pengganti is successor. Yeah, pengganti. For example, the successor of Presiden Soeharto was Pak Habibie. Pak Habibie penggantinya Presiden Soeharto. And then you have the opposite, predecessor. Now, predecessor is pendahulunya. So Pak Soeharto was the predecessor to Pak Habibie. Ya, Pak Soeharto, Presiden Soeharto itu pendahulu dari Presiden Habibie. Beradaptasi, adapt, you know that, membela, we discussed that. Classic, classic here is dilakukan berulang kali tapi tetap menarik untuk dilihat, classic. For example, in F1, Hamilton used a classic maneuver to overtake Kimi. Hamilton menggunakan taktik yang atau manuver yang klasik untuk menyalip, mendahului Kimi. Yeah. If you want to say musik klasik, then you have to say classical music. That's a bit different. Classic here is dilakukan berulang-ulang tapi tetap menarik. But classical here is it goes with the word music. Yeah. What if dilakukan berulang kali tapi menyebalkan karena membuat orang jenuh? That's cliche. Yeah. So cliche is different from classic. Dua-duanya dilakukan berulang kali, tapi yang satunya klasik itu tetap memikat, tapi cliche itu berulang-ulang dan mulai membosankan. Yeah. Melengkapi equipment is perlengkapan. We know empirical berdasarkan bukti yang aktual. You know foundation, deny, hierarchy, quote, yeah. Mengutip, for example, you quote a statement from President Kennedy. Don't ask what your country can give you, but ask yourselves what you can do for your country. Yeah. If we say this, we quote Kennedy's statement. Okay, we discuss extract, menarik sari dari sesuatu. Remember, extract wine from grapes can also mean extract tooth, mencabut gigi. Yeah. Okay, now comes the exercise. As usual, you have to translate into Indonesian the underlined words here. You have, and as usual, you can pause the video so that you can have some time to work out the answers. Number 1 is successor, number 2 is definite, number 3 infer, number 4 comprised, number 5 advocates, number 6 ultimate, number 7 finite, number 8 denied, number 9 prohibited, number 10 voluntary. Yeah. Okay, once you finish with that, you can go on to the next section. You have to complete the words followed by blanks. So there was a huge explosion in the factory, but thanks God everyone has here. Now you have to continue it. You have to complete the missing word here. As the disaster. Okay. Number 2, you either A, to your new environment, or die. Your statement is based on your imagination rather than on data. Is this plane safe? Yes, work out the answer here. Okay. So you have that. And also the last 2. Okay, so you can replay the video several times in order to get the complete side of the complete view of exercise. Yeah. So that's all. The academic words group 7. Okay, students, that's academic words group 7. Take some time to study them and be ready for our online discussion. In the meantime, have a good one, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.